feels so bad. I still want to have this dance. Let's take a chance. You give me the thrill like automobile, and I can.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Paper ladle. Bubble wrap ladle. Cardboard ladle. Sponge ladle.
Here's the airplane. 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 The airplane goes wee 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 wee. Bring the luggage. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. The airplane goes wee 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 wee. Airplane is flying high, high, high up in the sky.
Wow.
Say hello, hello to airplane. Hello.
Hello,
Here's the
Mom.
airplane. Airplane.
Bye-bye.
Airplane, the engine goes.
Hey, girl. Yikes. Uh-huh.
Yum yum. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Here I come.
Yum, yum, yum. So juicy, so crunchy, crunchy. Yum, yum, yum. So tasty and munchy, munchy. Yum, yum, yum. It is really cool. I am so full. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Yum. Bop. 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 Time for some music. Grab on that mic. La 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 la.
This doesn't sound nice.
Uh-oh, where is my lovely mouth? I was singing and now it's gone. Help me, help me, help me, please. I lost my pretty
Wow.
Have you seen it? Is this your body? No, no, no. It doesn't look like
You'll get your wands back when you get us the potion. Do you understand? We want it now! Are you sure these dolls are all your king would like in return for this, gigantically generous present?
Cool slide, Billy. Mind if I take a ride?
Don't you so much as touch your scaly tail to that slide. Nobody is riding anything until Princess Billy has officially opened it.
Why don't you help me cut the ribbon? The slide is officially open! First one to the top gets the first ride!
That would be me, slowpokes. Huh? Rain?
That crazy cat would sooner pluck out his whiskers than have one drop of water hit him.
I like rain. Come here and give me a cuddle.
Hey, that's strange. It's only raining right here.
Well, let's just move that cloud out of the way! A little closer, Scorch, and I'll lasso the cloud so we can pull it away! Wait, did you hear that? It sounds like crying. I've never heard of a crying cloud before. Shasha, why are you crying? Oh, Billy! The twin princesses have taken my wands, and they won't give them back until I give them this potion from Ed. Huh? What sort of potion is it? It's a potion that makes things huge. Why do you need a potion like that? To make our slide bigger than yours. Oh, if you want a big slide, go ahead and use mine. We don't want your slide. We want one that's better than yours.
Those two are always jealous of something.
So we'll take that potion now! The potion!
Whoa! A bottle!
Oh no, Bunny!
Whoa!
So, we know the plan, right?
We asked Ed the Wizard for a shrinking potion to get Money Cuddles back to size.
And then we asked the twin princesses for my wands back? Right, it should be easy. There's just one tiny thing.
Hi, Ed. Why'd you put your house on top of a mountain?
I didn't do it. She did.
Well, when I came to get the giant potion, I might have spilled a teensy-weensy drop of it on a pebble outside Ed's house.
Which turned it into a mountainous mountain.
Well, why don't we, use some of your shrinking potion on your house, and then maybe there'll be enough left to bring the bunny blimp back to size.
Wanna cuddle?
Okay, Zsa, I'll just go inside and whip up a batch of my shrinking potion. Oh, wait. I can't get into my house.
But I can. I'll just reach right into this window here and... Oh, wasn't me.
Don't worry, Ed. We'll figure this out. There has to be a way to get up to your house.
Maybe we could climb up there, Billy.
Or, no! I can fly up there!
No, don't you go anywhere near my house.
Zsa isn't the only one who can fly.
That's it, Scorch! You can fly us up there! Come on! I'm pretty sure this is the shrinking potion!
Let's try it out!
No, my house, it's back!
It worked!
Bravo!
Hey, why didn't you guys tell me it stopped raining? Now that I'm here, the fun can begin. Huh? This is why I don't come out in the rain!
Okay, let's find Bunny Cuddles and get him back to normal. Hey! You guys really should do a better job of protecting these potions. You make it so easy.
But that's a shrinking potion. What do you want that for?
If we can't make our slide bigger than Billy's, we'll use this potion to make hers teeny tinier than ours. Hit it, Sydney! Oh, forget it! What about my wands?
Come on, let's get them!
Don't worry, I have a feeling that their jealousy is going to get them.
Who wants a cuddle?
Out of the way, you silly rabbit! Oh, do some more! Uh-oh. Okay, it's my turn. I get to shrink the snow. I want to! No, me! I want to do it! Huh? Oh, it's good to have you back, kids.
All right, princesses. You'll be safe in here until Ed can make a potion to bring you back to size.
Tell him to hurry. This is so embarrassing. Hi, Rubies. It's cuddle time. I'm really happy with this slide.
Me too. We're so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. We just gave Mom our present and she loved it. That's great. I think she's going to love my present too. Oh, you know, that's really good. Why don't you draw a frame around it? Here, we can help.